We are here today because of the commitment of Edo State Police Command in fighting and combating crime. Today we are witnessing another achievement that was recorded by Anti-Kidnapping and Cybercrime Unit. This is another trend of crime that they've actually nailed on the board. As we know that the internet fraud known as Yahoo Yahoo in our local palace is no longer yielding much result as they expected. They've now gone into another trend of crime. This time around, some group of boys opened an account on Facebook using the social media, claiming to be native doctors, that they can make people rich without involving any means of blood covenant, blood rituals. And on that note, one Shitu, Hazim, and Sunday Christian keyed into this on attempt to get rich and chat this group of criminals using the Facebook, and they were invited to come to Igara in Edo State. On reaching there, Hazim appeared to them first. On arrival at Igara, Edo State, they sent 2 motorcycles to bring him to the bush, and the 2 men successfully took Shitu Hazim to the bush, where he was attacked with sticks, beaten up, and forcefully removed his automated teller machine known as ATM and his PIN code, of which they sent the suspect by name Frank John, age 25 years, to go to town to withdraw all the money in that account, thereby using the paper given to him containing the account number, or rather account detail, of the victim, Shitu Hazim. Somehow, as God may have it, having dedicated officers and men of the Nigerian police who were on stop and search duty intercepted the suspect, Frank John, and upon the search in his person, they discovered a sheet of paper containing bank details, of which he could not give reasonable account of the document seen with him. So that raised suspicions.